over 900 performances, one shared stage. And tonight, the spotlight belongs to the ones who moved us the most. Welcome to the gala, where passion meets excellence. Tonight, we celebrated greatness. Tomorrow, we dance again